There's the Cobra right there.
Looks so nice.
Yo, it does. It's probably my favorite car here so far. One of the most ratchet meets I've been to all year. I wonder how long it takes him to do all that with those lights. You got the whole subwoofer kit, bro. What the fuck?
Bro, what kind of hood is this, bro? This is weird. What is this?
It's just a rat.
Oh, bro, that shit looks weird as.
So he got no plates on there. He's up to no good.
It's like pulled up. They're both kind of facing each other. I was kind of confused what they were gonna do.
They're gonna play chicken.
I've seen this "not for everybody" sticker on a lot of cars in Cali.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Pretty low, bro. It's pretty low. It's like almost like Corvette low. A little tagging. You see the drone up there?
Drone?
You see the drone?
You think it's a cop drone?
No, it's a.
Oh.
Someone's flying it here. Yeah.
This is ET350?
Yeah.
This car's beautiful.
Yeah, they're nice.
I remember when this came out in all the magazines. No, because they had the 350R. They had the 350 and the 350R. So the 350R, it had the option to get full carbon fiber wheels.
Okay.
And it had an oil cooler.
Yeah.
And a dry sump oil pan. But the thing is, the 500, bro, that thing was too crazy.
Well, the GT500 is fast, dude. It's a fast car.
Wild looking car,
It's like
bro.
a wine color.
Huh?
Looks like wine.
Yeah. That's fire, bro. This might be my favorite car here. Not gonna lie.
I guess Halloween's not over yet. See that?
Sunny Charlies.
340i. This is the only other S3 in this parking lot right now.
Everyone's going just crazy right now.
What's he doing over there? It's turning into a takeover. Who's that? Johnny Tran on the bike. I feel like shit's about to pop off here right now. All these dudes that be doing like little circles in the parking lot with the trucks, I feel like they're gonna try to like spin that shit and do burnouts. Like I already hear them on the other side over there. They're doing it over there already.
Yeah.
Yep, told you. Called it.
Yeah, isn't that a Hertz?
Nah.
Oh, that's just a color kit or something.
Yeah.
It is.
Wow. Pontiac needs some love too.